Hi, and welcome to this video on how to set up the Relewise MCP in Visual Studio Code. So here in Visual Studio Code, I have opened a C# project, but it could be of any of the languages we support. And in order to do anything here, we need to go to the command add server. Up here, you can choose between two options. The option we use is HTTP. And when you go there, you need to get the URL, which you can get from our website, which is mcprelewise.com. Then you can need to give it a name. And finally choose if you want to have it for workspace, meaning just for this project, or general on your machine for all your projects you own. I'll just choose workspace so we can see the files directly. And once we do this and trust the server, we now get our new MCP, and it's in this .vs code folder down here. In order to use it best, we also recommend that you go and take our AI rules here and put them in your AI instructions. In my scenario, GitHub Copilot instructions, but it could be the various instructions you have for your AI. And once we have this, we should be able to go down here and begin to ask questions. And if whenever it's something about Relewise, it would use that MCP server. If you really want to force it to use it, you simply put in a hash sign and then Relewise server. And then we, for example, can say, what is Relewise? And it will now, in a second, ask us to call that server. You need to confirm, and you can choose if it's just for the session, this specific project, or always. So it's gonna ask the different tools, and we will see the tools in 1 second. So we get an answer back, but it could have been implement this code. And to see the tools, we can see them down here, where we have the built-in tools from GitHub by itself. And here we have the various coding tools, which we'll go into in a separate video. So that's everything you need in order to get going.